In this lesson, we will explore the world of linear equations and understand how to solve them. We'll find the optimal dimensions to maximize this area. First, let's understand what linear equations are. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. It can be written in the form ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constants. For example, 2x plus 3 equals 5 is a linear equation. Now let's learn how to solve linear equations. To solve a linear equation, we need to isolate the variable. Let's solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 5. First, we subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x equals 5 to 3. This simplifies to 2x equals 2. Then, we divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 2 halves. This gives us x equals 1. Now let's learn how to graph linear equations. The graph of a linear equation is a straight line. For example, the graph of the equation 2x plus 3 equals 5 is a straight line. In conclusion, linear equations are an important part of algebra. They can be written in the form ax plus b equals c and can be solved by isolating the variable. Their graphs are straight lines, making them easy to visualize.